Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about Google Play Store on iOS. So, is Google Play Store available on iOS? Let's find out. We're gonna search for Google Play Store. Okay, so upon searching, what you can see is that you do not actually have Google Play Store, but you have all the services that Google provides itself. Since Google Play Store is for Androids to download apps, you can download all the apps that you want from the iOS store itself, but all the services that Google provides, like Google Chrome, Google Drive, your maps, your photos, your Gmail, everything is available on the Apple's App Store. So to simply answer your question, is Google Play Store downloadable on iOS? No, it's not, but all the services provided by Google itself are available. So that's pretty much about it from this video. I'll see you in the next one.